Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find these recipes and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. Today we are making udon with egg and spinach. Here are the ingredients for 4 servings. 1.5 liters of Japanese udon stock. This has a stronger flavor than standard Japanese stock. I will show you how to make this in a moment. 4 portions of udon noodles. These are freshly packed udon, but you can use the dried version. 2 tablespoons of cooking sake. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of mirin. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 2 hard-boiled eggs. 3 spring onions finely chopped. 4 seafood sticks. 550 grams of wilted spinach. So here's how to make a quick udon stock. You will need 1.5 liters of water and either udon stock granule like this or a dashi stock bags like these. I use 4 teaspoons of dashi granule for 1.5 liters of water or 4 dashi bags. I think the dashi bags makes better stock than the granules, and it's much cheaper than using the amount of bonito flakes. You need to give this stock its stronger flavor. After you've prepared your stock, put it into a saucepan and add the cooking sake, the mirin, the salt, and the soy sauce and bring to the boil. Now add the fresh udon to the pan. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes or according to the instructions in the packet. Do remember, if you are using dried udon, you will need to cook it in water separately. Then add it to the broth. Now the udon is ready, we can assemble the dish. Put 1 portion of the udon into a serving bowl. Then garnish with half a boiled egg, some spinach, some seafood sticks, and some spring onions. Finally, ladle the broth into the bowl. Serve immediately to eat the udon at its best. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.